Hi, I'm Joan Lok. After my presentation on the founders of Lingnan, many artists has asked if I will do more workshop focusing on the Lingnan style of painting. So in an upcoming workshop, we will focus on the painting of white egret. And in order to bring it to the Lingnan, in this particular painting of the white egret, we will use the opaque white for the white feathers of the egret. And like many of my bird workshop, not only will we just talk about the stroke, but I will explain the anatomy, the bone structure of the bird. We will also talk about the difference between a white egret and a crane, especially in the flying pattern, and also on different parts of the birds, for example, the beak, the wing, and also how to paint the legs. And one very interesting thing is, in order for the opaque white to actually shine in the painting, what we usually like to do is to darken the background in order for the bird to pop. And because of that, we will apply a background wash. And in this particular workshop of the Lingnan style white egret, I will show you how to do a very typical Lingnan style wash for the background that will give a very dreamy, romantic, and soft background for the environment for the entire painting. In this particular one, we use a yellow tone, a brownish yellow tone, but we also can use an indigo, a bluish tone, or combinations. So we'll focus on the painting of a Lingnan style bird with opaque white, and also to work on how to apply the wash in the typical Lingnan wash. So I hope to see you in this white egret and the Lingnan style background wash workshop. Thank you. Bye-bye.